we have ever done. This is insane.
This is insane.
Good morning, everyone. It is day 3 on the Gibb River Road, and this morning we're gonna do some chores. I've noticed that my hair, or lack thereof, is getting quite long, so Lil's gonna cut it for me. It should be fun. Look at her. She's a pro barber.
All right, let's do it.
Should I be nervous?
Just sit down. Come on, let's get it done. You look like a new man.
What do you reckon?
I reckon it's better than the barber we went to.
It was, yeah, definitely. I went to like a $15 just walk in, walk out barber, and we couldn't understand each other, but I just watched a movie.
Well, so we're stuck halfway along. So we're in the 4-wheel drive track, but we still need to get out. It's nothing to worry about.
We're midway along. We stopped yesterday afternoon because it was just too hectic to keep going late in the afternoon.
We're not meant to camp where we are, except honestly, like if we had have gone out, we would have just ruined more things.
I reckon we're gonna get bogged today.
It's exciting times, you guys. For you, not for us.
All right, let's go try and find some more waterfalls. So we've come to the first big obstacle here. So
it's only like a 900-meter walk, but I don't know, he wants to tackle this creek crossing, so.
Well, what if there's crocs in there?
Well, I have to walk through there anyway. Oh, I would not go here. I would not go here. I wouldn't go there. I'd go that way. Now I'm just left on the other side to walk through. No crocs so far.
How'd your wading go?
Not as good as if I was in the car.
It's a bit of a rock garden. Now there might be crocodiles in this bit. Not certain. It looks, if I was a croc, I'd probably be there.
No?
I don't know. There's a frog here.
I think it's a cane toad.
Is it? We should give him a kiss. He might turn into a prince.
This is like the most beautiful place ever. And you know what? Yes, it does take a little bit further to get to. Like, it's a little bit harder to get to. But my gosh, it's worth taking these turn-offs. Jacob wasn't sure if we should even come down here. Were you, doll?
Nah, I wasn't. We're just after that bit. Although those people said that apparently you can get to the top, but nothing like getting to the bottom.
Oh my god. Good move, darling. Ooh. God, that gave me a fright. I just worry that it's gonna tip over. Oh God. Crumbs. Pretty leany Lenny. Lenny likes to lean, leany Lenny. Whoa. lifting up on that front wheel. That actually went pretty smoothly. Okay, this is where we got unstuck before, but we're actually going to take the main line instead of the B line this time. Oi! Oh. That was a bit high stress.
That was the first bog hole that we've been in on this whole trip. And actually, I've got to get the hair off the back of my seat. But coming from Tassie, it's just bog holes everywhere. And that's the kind of forward driving that I'm used to. Look at all this hair.
And dust. Anyway.
Hair and dust.
Dust.
That's a bloody good Instagram name for anyone that's looking for their own, for some sort of...
We can't use it, we can just write no hair usually because you haven't got any.
Yeah, well I could be dust and you could be hair.
Okay. We just ran into some really nice people as well, and so I told them to unhitch because I said it was stupid.
Yeah, there's no point telling your van.
Just tow your van in there. So if you're coming here, unhitch your bloody caravan because it's not worth your time. No. You'll end up staying overnight like I did.
So we're walking into Gavins Gorge, just off the main road, off the Gibb River Road. It's
but
1
it's got
kilometre
some
walk.
really good reviews.
Very good reviews. So we'll walk in here and let you know how it is. Oh, graceful as always. I want that rope swing. Look at that.
Jacob was just right behind me and he was like, look at the rock art behind you.
That's crazy.
Look, I'll show you this rock art. Wow. How magic is that? That is an amazing job. Wow. It's not every day you get to see a waterfall and then amazing rock art. Like what? Look at that. And then look at that handsome man. Yeah. This is better than Bell Gorge, I have to say. I reckon. It's got a rope swing, it's got rock art, it's got a waterfall, it's got a swimming hole. Like, what?
Well done. Watch that spider with your stick. Look at this spider.
Oh, I'm so nervous.
Yay!
That was so fun. That was so fun. Woo!
So we are at the, what roadhouse is this, babe? I'll tell you in a sec. We're at the Roadhouse. And you have to pay here before going out to Manning Gorge, which is that way. So this is the turn off to go out to Manning Gorge, which is out that way the caravan's going. But you got to pay your camp fees here. But look how good this is. I reckon that these must be all from like the river crossings. You know, your number plates always rip off at river crossings. But I think this is one of the only shops on the Gib. Lily's just told me off for not wearing a shirt in the Roadhouse. Fair enough, actually. Look what I got you. Well, you actually got me these.
I actually bought those. I mean, our money's the same money, but...
That's what she keeps saying to me anyway.
Let's put some salt. I wasn't sure if it had salt on them. We've not had many takeaway things like this on the trip, have we?
No, but this
these flippin' hot chips are bloody good.
The bloke at the we didn't even know, but the bloke that was serving was like, "Oh, you gotta have them. They're famous." And I was like, "You're just selling them to me," but they are.
Actually, great.
They're amazing, crunchy but soft.
Are you a big chip eater or a little chip eater? Like, if you were to choose between a big one or a little one, what would you choose?
I like the big ones.
Really? I like the little ones.
This is our wonderful campsite.
And I ate way too many chips and I feel so sick.
So
because we haven't been eating any shit food like that.
So the gorge walk starts from here. I don't know if we're gonna start it until tomorrow probably, but there's like a bit of a swimming hole and stuff around here, so
we'll just set up and then we'll do that.
Yeah, we'll probably do that. Just chill this afternoon. We've had a big day.
Good morning. We're gonna do the best walk ever. It's the Manning Gorge walk and we have to put our stuff in a bucket to get to the other side.
So we've left our messy campsite set up. Only about a 200-metre walk from our campsite to the start. And there's a lovely beach.
Yeah, there's actually real sand.
In the Outback. How weird. Left across the creek. That's a good map, isn't it?
That's a great map.
So last night we came down here with the torch and there was a croc just out over there behind that rock. So how do you feel about that?
I feel fine about it. Everybody's fine about it, so we can be fine about it.
Yeah, no one's got eaten today. Alrighty, let's go.
Not the kind of walking I like. Look at what I do. Oh my god, this is phenomenal. Oh my god, look at that.
We're gonna get in?
We are.
Let's go. Now, Chinese burns. You can walk around this way, where these people are over here, but we're just gonna swim across. Because, you know us, we love to doggy paddle. And like every waterhole we've been to, I forgot the float for the GoPro. So if I drop you guys, that's the end of us. I hope I don't drop you, you know. I'd never let you go. I will never let you go. Is that supposed to be like a, some sort of Instagram shot? This is so cool.
I've just noticed that your ears are so different.
What do you mean?
You just have one different one than the other.
Oh, the haircut?
That one curves down more. That one curves down more.
Oh, it's one of the water's pushing us away, isn't it? It's hard to get over it.
We hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. We have been loving swimming in the waterfalls. It's just so damn nice being on the Give River Road with nobody else around. Anyway, we're going to talk about this week's sponsor for this video. It's Kamek, and they have got an epic range of everything that you need for all of your caravanning needs. So for us, as you know, we're pretty hard on all of our gear. We broke our jockey wheel. We've broken like 10 other things, which I won't even talk about now. But they pretty much have everything that you need, from jockey wheels to air fans to skylights, gas hot water heaters, ceiling fans, air cons, literally anything you could think of. So if you've got any caravanning needs that you might need, jump on the website. It's super easy to use. Use our discount code as well. It is Lil Jake 15 and it's valid until the 17th of July. So jump on, full priced items only, and let's get back into the video.
Let's get behind this waterfall. Should I go in the white water? What do you guys reckon? I reckon I should go. So I'm gonna go under the waterfall. Ready, here I go. How is it? Oh, it's great.
Okay, my turn.
Gone then. Am I dirty?
Oh my god, there's so many slugs on you. They're actual slugs.
Oh, there's slugs!
They're all over your leg!
Oh, there's slugs!
Are they coming off?
No. They're leeches, I think.
Are they on me?
I think they're leeches. Yeah, they're coupled.
Can you get them?
Well, I was trying to get my own.
I don't know. Are they leeches?
Yeah, they're sucking onto me.
Are they on me? This is not good. This is not good. We're back on the road. You know us, we move quick.
Yeah, we've left. Oh, it's Mount Barnett Roadhouse, but what's it called out there?
Manning Gorge.
Manning Gorge.
Manning Gorge. We've literally been on the road not even 2 minutes. And we've hit a pretty big crossing. But I think we're just gonna power through it, hey?
Lily's gonna do this one. First
I don't want to,
crossing.
this is not my own, this is not my choice.
It's easy, you just drive. How exciting, Lily's first river crossing in the car. Woo! Oh. She flew through that. Well done, Lil. Why don't everyone give Lil a like for doing that, hey? Thumbs up. I will say, she's just parked the car on the road and just left the door open. What if someone wanted to come past? Well done, babe.
Thanks, darling.
Look at you go.
I tried really hard.
Yeah,
And I even put my foot down at the right time.
Yeah, I think we could have just cruised through that, but it was good.
Well, I just didn't want to get stuck.
No, you don't want to get stuck. It would have been embarrassing. Well done.
Thank you. Look at that handsome man in his cute outfit. Or should I say, look at that very, very
Yeah, I got burnt today.
burnt man.
Sometimes it just happens.
Han Creek. It's beautiful. And I think we're going to spend the night, maybe even two, because there's no one here. And we literally have a little beach all to ourselves. I'm really excited about it. This is beautiful.
So, from where you camp, you walk just down here. And I don't know if you can see out there in the distance there, Lily's walking up. We just follow the riverbed up and then it's just a float back down.
What a good idea. We've got a lazy river.
A lazy river. This is as far as we've got. Lily's beached. A bit more water over here.
Oh, I'm moving quite quickly now.
Yeah, it's fast, this river. I'd like to get out in the middle though.
This is beautiful.
We're actually moving fast. Like, we're going pretty fast.
Yeah.
This is wonderful.
Which way are you going to go?
Someone commented from a video a while back and requested the Pirates of the Caribbean theme. And we can't put that in for copyright reasons, but I could probably sing it. Was that right?
I don't know. I can't remember. It was so long ago since I heard it.
I'm on the ground.
Me too.